So we continue the journey right now. I'm now in the new Elizabeth line. So the journey name from Woolwich Woolwich station of the new Elizabeth line. We're heading towards Abbey Wood. So where currently the services are operating. So we're going to start the journey right from Abbey Wood and see how long it takes from Abbey Wood to get to Paddington, Central London. So I'm going to time it and let you guys be aware of this video. Stay tuned. Overview of this particular place at Paddington, the new station. So you expect to have, when the full service opens, you expect to have the westbound services going to the Heathrow and to other parts, as even downwards as far as Reading. When the Elizabeth line is completely, the whole line is fully open, the service is fully open. But currently, it's operating now from Paddington to Abbey Wood. This is it. So if you find yourself in the Paddington station, remember Paddington station, you can travel as far back as different parts of the country, are also travel internationally, right? So where else can we go from here?
You take the Eurostar to France, Belgium, or the Netherlands, or you can take Heathrow Express, which will take you directly to Heathrow Airport.
Right. So you come out of the station, then you can now just come out of the Paddington station. Where there's another crossway of the same Elizabeth line that you can join from there down up as far as Reading, Maidenhead, Heathrow terminal. So you expect to have the journey start from the Heathrow end of the terminals here, down as far back as Sheffield or Abbey Wood. It's going to be 45 minutes in total, according to the TFL. So now let's go into the station and start the journey. Elizabeth line. Huh? Okay, show me how you can do it. Show me. Grabs off a copy of the chief map station. So
yeah, it was quite busy day basically.
busy day, first day.
Busy day, everyone was very excited. They have a smile on their face.
You see a lot of people taking selfies and stuff like that.
Yeah, they were quite interested, like about each and everything, about each remedy, conversations.
Conversations.
They have seen a long platform. They were like, "Whoa, what a huge platform!"
Oh
they
my
come
God!
jogging here.
So people didn't expect they're going to be like huge like this. Actually, quite interesting. Quite interesting. Thank you very much. Yeah? I know it's going to be busy for you guys. Yeah, let's continue. Let's go in this train.
The train standing on platform A is the eastbound train going to Abbey Station. Allow the passengers come off this train before you board this train. For your safety and the safety of others, please allow passengers to come off this train before you board this train.
we're approaching Abbeywood where this train will terminate. Please take all your luggage with you before leaving the train. We're just waiting for the platform now and we should be going any moment.
Just a moment to get to the station, Abbeywood station. We had a little stop, just to maybe ensure the normal logistics at the station, so that the
Next
other
station,
train
Abbeywood,
will leave
where
and
this
we
train
can.
terminates.
So the train is at Abbeywood station.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. With see it, say it, sorted.
So this is it. Welcome to
Once again, we're landing at Abbeywood where this train terminates. All gently,
station.
all gently.
So this currently the where the train terminates is called it's Abbeywood station. So this is the next. This is the train going to Paddington from the Abbeywood station. So we're joining this train now, and we're going to have a time to know how long it takes for us to get to Paddington station, Abbeywood, right from here. So we're in the train. The moment the train starts to leave, moving, then I'll have it timed, and then I'll let you know how long it takes from Abbeywood to Paddington station. So we got you guys, so you guys can keep tab of how things are going.
Please stand clear of the closing doors. Mind the closing doors, please.
Train are ready to depart the Queen Elizabeth line. Currently at the Abbeywood station, we've got about 3 trains which are ready to move.
This
Each one
is the train
moves
to
like every
Paddington.
between 2 and 5 minutes. So this one starts
Next
another
station,
journey.
Woolwich. Change for DLR and National Rail Services.
Not very many people on the train. Very long
If you see something
train
that doesn't
indeed.
look right, speak to staff or
200 meters past.
And Southeastern train also connects right from there at the Abbeywood station. But here you see more information about the cheap lines. Do you know that this actually is about 9 cars, 9 cars of the train of this Elizabeth line. See massively how long it is. See. Such a very but 9 carriage. We're about to reach in the Woolwich now, and that one takes like no pause it anyway. Now we're in the journey, and we're about to reach Woolwich now, and it has taken about, currently we are now standing at about 2 minutes, and the train is already getting to Woolwich now, very close by, but the exact time will be known.
next station, Woolwich.
So to Woolwich takes barely 2 minutes and about 30 seconds. Let's put it that way. So here we are right now at the Woolwich station of Abbeywood. That takes about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get here from Abbeywood to Woolwich.
The train to Paddington. Next station, Custom House.
So when we start the journey right from here, from Woolwich, we're going to see how long it's going to take from here to the next station at Custom House. Remember, there is, which is not yet open, that is not Woolwich, just immediately after passing underneath the Thames River. But at the moment, the Custom House is open.
This is the train to
let's see how long it will
Paddington.
take for us to get to from Woolwich.
Next station, Custom House. Change for DLR.
So currently we are inside the Thames now. I want to believe we are just going through the water. Now, put it this way, it takes about 2 minutes and 20 put it that way, about 2 minutes, barely 2.5 minutes now this time. We are reaching the Custom House. So if we are going to the Excel, event centers of Excel exhibition center. So this is it takes us about 2 minutes to pass through there from the Woolwich now to reach Excel. But before we reach Custom House, we need to pass through the underpath of the Connaught Bridge, Connaught Tunnel. So we're inside the tunnel right now, the Connaught Tunnel. This is what you can see. Remember, this tunnel has been there long when we used to have the old train to North Woolwich.
Custom House.
So this station will be Custom House. Remember, there is also Wi-Fi in the train. Each of these trains has about 9 carriages. So choose to sit anywhere. Also, there's space in between in the carriage, so people can sit comfortably, like the way. Stretch your legs and pass space between people, so that it's a Custom House and the exhibition center is right there
Custom House.
on our left as we're heading towards Paddington.
Next station, Canary Wharf.
This is it, how the station looks like. Custom House.
The train on platform B is ready to depart. Stand clear, close the doors.
This is the train to Paddington.
So beautiful,
Next
the station
station,
at Custom
Canary
House.
Wharf. Change for Jubilee and DLR.
So in this instance, the train is not going to go to Canning Town. Remember, those are another big hub of transport in East London before reaching the Canary Wharf.
Canary Wharf. This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Whitechapel. This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Whitechapel. Change for District, Hammersmith City and London Overground lines. This is the train to station, Liverpool Street. Liverpool Street.
over Liverpool Street.
Central, Circle, Hammersmith City, Metropolitan, Northern, London Overground Lines, National Rail Services, and the Elizabeth Line services towards Shenfield via Stratford.
This is Liverpool Street, and we expect to having lots of underground trains to join from Hammersmith, City, Metropolitan, Northern Line, Central, as well as the Circle Lines at Liverpool Street.
This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Tottenham Court Road. Tottenham Court Road.
So we just reached the Paddington station, and I'm going to show to you how much time we spent before we got here.
Please make your way to platforms 11, 12 and 14 at Paddington Mainline Station.
So this is the
You can
Paddington
also
station.
change here at
Show to you
Grand Bakerloo,
how
Central
long it
District,
takes us to
Hampton City
travel
Lines,
from
Great Western
Abbeywood
Railway services
to
towards Wales, the West of
Paddington.
England and the South West
This is it. You know, we set the timer on, and 28 minutes and 37 seconds. You know, I promise you that we're going to time the journey from Abbeywood Station, traveling on the new Elizabeth line. From Abbeywood Station, where it's currently operating, to Paddington in central London. It takes barely, I have a time here, and let me show it to you. It was about 28 minutes 37 seconds to reach the Paddington. Here we are now at the Paddington station of the Elizabeth line. It's quite looking busy even in the first day of its opening, 24th of May 2022. Oh, the train just arriving. This was when we're traveling from here, Paddington, back to Abbeywood station.
This is a passenger announcement. Please move down the platform using all available doors. All passengers, please move down the platform using all available doors. The train on platform A is your Elizabeth line service to Abbeywood via Canary Wharf. The train on platform A is your brand new Elizabeth line service to Abbeywood via Canary Wharf, calling at Tottenham Court Road, Farringdon, Liverpool Street, Whitechapel, Canary Wharf, Cottenham, Woolwich and Abbeywood.
Okay, so let's, if you want to go out of the Paddington station, this is it. Let's make use of the lift. Wow, it's worth exploring. Even this place is deserved to be explored. This is the station. This is the Paddington station. This is how it looks anyway. The first day when the stations opened. So you see customer services officers attending to passengers, people asking questions. Yes, a lot of things that they need to know about traveling. Where we have this transport security personnel as well in place. So it's going to begin to start looking busier as from now from the Elizabeth line. So if you I wish you can travel outside from outside, see the Paddington station, join the Elizabeth line, come down to the platform here, then you make your way down to platform A towards east, traveling back to Abbeywood. Now, see how busy it looks now, even on the first day of Elizabeth line opening. Joining all other services across the London Undergrounds, you see. So I'm going to touch out right from here. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to find out how much you charge from traveling from Woolwich Arsenal down to Paddington right here, where I have it going. So I'm going to go and find out how much it takes to charge me. So it takes, like I told you, about 28 minutes to travel from Abbeywood down to Paddington. Check it out. This is it. I have £5.50 initially on the oyster. Now let's check the journey, and it says from Woolwich down to here, it's about £3.50. So about £3.50 you expect traveling, especially if you're traveling from Woolwich down to Paddington. At this point in time, maybe around evening time, 5-6 evening, which we normally, you know, either you call it off peak. Is it off peak time we are now, or peak time? It's in peak period, so you expect to charge about £3.50 and travel for about 28 minutes. 28 minutes from Abbeywood down to Paddington. So you expect to have this in the timeline of your travel journey itinerary, showing if you're traveling for Woolwich to Paddington, you will see Woolwich Elizabeth to Paddington Elizabeth, and if you are on discounted price, that can take about 80p for people who are on discounted price.
11 to 15 zip card.
11 to 15, yeah. Yes, using the
zip card.
We call it zip card anyway. But on regular ones, you're using this, charge about £3.50 anyway. Yeah, let's go out. Oh yeah, it's touch out. Let's go out. Yeah. Wow. You can do. So we are already live. Anyway, he said this is actually a very massive station at Paddington. This is it, exit of the Paddington station, and we are now here at the Paddington station here. You see, it's very side to side to the main different services like underground and other rail services at the Paddington station that we are familiar with, and side to side is the Elizabeth line, which is just coming out of the main Paddington, traveling from probably any part of England, or traveling from, and then you now find your way down to come out of the station. Just on the side is the Paddington Elizabeth line. Let's give you an overview of this particular place at Paddington, the new station. So you expect to have, when the full service opens, you expect to have the westbound services going to the Heathrow to other parts, as even downwards as far as Reading, when the Elizabeth line is completely, the road line is fully open, the service is fully open. But currently it's operating now from Paddington to Abbeywood. This is it. So if you find yourself in the Paddington station, remember Paddington station, you can travel as far back as far as different parts of the country, and also travel internationally, right? So where else can we go from here?
You take the Eurostar to France, Belgium, or the Netherlands, or you can take Heathrow Express, which will take you directly to Heathrow Airport.
Right. So you come out of the station, then you can now just come out of the Paddington station, join the new Elizabeth line traveling towards Abbeywood. These are Great Western Rail trains at Paddington, and they will be traveling here to different destinations as in their schedule. Anyway, we are inside the Paddington station. Okay. Okay, Heathrow Express comes to Paddington as well. The purple one.